Ano nga ba itong YouTube Shorts?
YouTube Shorts is a way for anyone to connect with a new audience using just a smartphone and the Shorts camera and the YouTube app. YouTube's Shorts creation tools make it easy to create short-form videos that are up to 60 seconds long with our multi-segment camera.
Hello everyone! Sa video nito, ibabahagi ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba itong YouTube Shorts at kung paano mag-create nito. By the way, if you are newbie at di mo pa ako kilala, I'm MJ Daim. I love to share some tips about YouTube para sa mga gustong mag-grow ang kanilang mga channel. I do some basics tutorials too, like how to editing gamit ang inyong mga mobile phone kasi alam ko, halos lahat ng mga bagong YouTuber ngayon ang gamit ay mobile phone lamang. Paano ba makikita ng ating mga audience ang ating mga short videos?
We're always testing new ways to deliver content to viewers. This is especially true for shorts. Right now, viewers may find your shorts by tapping short at the bottom of the YouTube app. They may also find shorts on the YouTube homepage, in their notification, checking their subscriptions, feature on your channel page. Once they tap into a short, viewers can also scroll to watch more short videos. Whenever they find them, subscriber gain from watching your shorts count toward Creator Towards program milestone. Include hashtag shorts in your short video's title or description to help our system recommend your shorts across YouTube.
At ano-anong mga music ang pwede natin gamitin sa ating mga short videos?
Accompany your shorts with a song or audio clip from across YouTube. The audio found in our library is free to use but only for personal non-commercial use unless you have the appropriate license. Here how to get started. To find out our audio library, when you're ready to get record, tap add sounds, make a selection and then record up to 15 seconds. To add a song or other audio after you record, tap sound at the bottom of the edit screen. Sound pick from our library is limited to 15 seconds clips. You can also use other sound to create a short. For example, you can sample the audio from eligible shorts or other videos to create your own short form masterpiece. If you upload a short video you've created elsewhere, make sure that any copyright protected material you've used is approved by your use on YouTube. Using copyright protected material without getting appropriate rights could lead to you getting a content ID claim. Also, if a copyright owner sent us a valid and a complete copyright takedown notice against your short video, it may be removed and you could get a copyright strike.
At ang tanong, kikita ba tayo sa ating mga short videos?
The YouTube Shorts Fund is $100 million fund to reward creators for their dedication to making creative, original shorts that delight the YouTube community. We'd reach out to thousands of creators each month to tell them that they qualify for a short bonus from the fund. To eligible for bonus from the YouTube Shorts Fund, channels need to have uploaded at least one eligible short in the last 180 days. Channels need to abide by YouTube community guidelines, copyright rules, and monetization policies. Channels uploading videos with watermarks or logos from third-party social media platforms, non-original videos, for example, unedited clips from movies or TV shows, or videos that are uploaded from other creators' channel will not be eligible. Creators must be in one of these countries' regions: Brazil, India, Indonesia, Japan, Mexico, Nigeria, Russia, South Africa, United Kingdom, and United States. Note, we plan to expand eligibility to more countries and regions. Creator must be 13 or older in the United States or the age of majority in their country region. Creators 13 to 18 years old must have parent or guardian accept terms and set up AdSense account for payment when one isn't already linked to their channel. Channels do not need to be currently monetizing on YouTube to be eligible. Creators in the YouTube Partner Program and channels that are affiliates under a multi-channel network's MCN are also eligible.
So that's it for today's video guys. So ngayon, umpisahan mo nang gumawa ng iyong mga YouTube shorts.